Hello and welcome to this 5 for 5th video that models the game Polygon Capture. This game is played in section 3.7 of the 5th grade Everyday Math program. So let's begin. Prior to actually playing Polygon Capture, again, this is before any of the rules of the games are given to the children. This is just an activity to familiarize the kids with the shapes they're going to be playing with. So prior to actually playing the game, it is recommended that the kids work in pairs and they just simply sort these polygons into groups of 2, maybe even 3, depending on the attributes of the polygons. For instance, some kids may just say, I'm going to have a pile of all polygons with right angles. And then everyone else who doesn't have all right angles is in another group. Whoop, A goes on to the right angle pile. Some kids may separate by convex and concave. So they may have all of their concave polygons on one's pile and all of the convex polygons in another pile. But it is highly recommended give a considerable amount of time to this so that they really do look at these polygons and identify which ones are regular, which are not, who has parallel lines, who doesn't, because it will really make Polygon Capture a better experience for them, because that is a very significant part of today's lesson. Okay. So actually playing Polygon Capture after this brief introduction to familiarize the kids with the shapes, you take out the cards, you select, now I'm going to play first and then my partner will play second. I'm going to turn over one angle card, and one sides card. So I am looking for a polygon where all the angles are right angles, but only one pair of the sides is parallel. All the angles are right angles. I'm going to start with that because they're easy to find. All the angles are right angles. I think I got them all. This one. All the angles are right angles. Only one pair of sides is parallel. Well, we have a problem because all the pair of sides are parallel in this particular case. So what the book suggests, again, this comes from the student reference book, what it suggests is the student decides, do I want to turn over another angles card or do I want to turn over another sides card? So it's totally up to the child. I'm going to turn over another angles card. At least one angle is more than 90 degrees. So now I have changed my initial step. I'm going to look for one angle more than 90. At least one. This has one more than 90. This has one more than 90. This does. So the kids are going through. I like the process of elimination. I like to handle one attribute and then go to the next. This has one more than 90. And you just continue. This also. And this one. Thank you. Okay. Then we ask ourselves, only one pair of the sides is parallel. Well, that would be D. No, only one, excuse me, only one. That would be B as well as G. Only one pair of sides is parallel. That is not K, that's not E, D has both, F has both. F. So I would, in essence, I say win, but I would, these two figures are now mine. I now have 2 on my side and my partner has none. So now I take these 2 out and it's my partner's turn.
What if your partner sees one that she thinks she missed?
Exactly. Now you get
I'm
to
looking
steal.
At L. L
Yep.
has at least one angle, has all angles
More
greater than 90. And, oh no, I'm wrong.
Oh, we can't steal L because only one pair is parallel.
Okay.
And that has
so
all
you
pairs
need to
parallel.
discuss it with the person before you go to steal it, and they can disagree with you. That's
Yes,
an
so that
important
goes
point.
very
Okay. So now it's the next person's turn. Oh, lucky me!
So lucky.
Wild card. This means I can make up any property I want. So first of all, there's at least one acute angle. So I'm going to look for all the acute angles, and then I'm going to see what I want to make up for my sides. This has 3 acute angles. This has some acute angles. Here's some acute angles. Nope, 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 nope. I think so. I think so. Get these out of here. Acute angles, acute angles, acute angles. So all of these shapes have at least one acute angle. So now I kind of come up with a property that will help me to get the most that I can out of this. So this is tough for the kids. It's tough for me. So I'm going to say, how about if I say that at least one set of parallel lines? So at least one pair of parallel lines would let me keep these, and this one, and that's probably it, but at least I got 4 of them.
You got 4.
So then these go back in the pot, and I claim these 4. Ah, you got me.
So that, and I couldn't steal any. So,
No.
so now it's my turn, and it's just, play continues until there are 3 or less polygons left on the table. I turn over. There is only one right angle. Oh boy. All sides are the same length. Only one right angle. No. You know what?
How can we
I think
test
that's.
that? How can we test if that's a right angle?
I would put the square on top of it.
Yeah, good idea.
Or grab the protractor. I can't lift this up. I'm pretty sure that's a right angle. That is a right angle. Okay, so I'm going to take K. Only one right angle. No, 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 no. Ooh, this might be a right angle right
Let's
here.
check.
Oh yeah, E has a right angle. So
Okay.
now I have 2. Okay, only all sides are the same length. Neither.
You get to pick another card.
So now I get to pick another card. Well, I didn't like this only one right angle, so I'm going to pick a new card from this side. There are no right angles. Oh, that eliminates all of these, eliminates oh my goodness. No right angles, no right angles, no right angles. All sides are the same length, so I can get my equilateral triangle,
Yeah, you didn't do
my
too
regular polygon. All right, I got 2 more pieces.
bad. Okay,
Okay, your turn.
my turn. Let's see what we come up with. All opposite sides have the same length. That's pretty good. There are no right angles. Because here's my opposite sides with the same length, but they have right angles. They're not. There's none.
None.
Because these aren't considered opposite on the kite.
No.
So now I have to choose another one. All opposite sides have the same length. I'm going to go for another angle card. What the heck? There are 1 or more right angles. Yes, yes, yes. I get all of these because all of these opposite sides are the same length and has 1 or more right angles. So my game will work. Now the game would stop.
Now the game is over. There are 3 or less pieces.
And of course the winner is the one who has claimed the most.
Which is never me.
We don't even need to count.
So I obviously lost this round. But please keep in mind, this is a challenging game for the children.
Kids, it is.
That's why we really want to introduce it slowly and just go through these figures and have them discuss them and group them. Okay?
Enjoy.
Thank you. See you at the next 5 for 5th.